Okay, we're going to start by solving the linear equalities for y. When I say solve for y, we're going to set the equation in the form of y equals. That means that I'll draw a line between the two sides. This side has a variable y, this one doesn't. So we just want the y to be by itself. So in essence, what can we do? We can add an opposite of 4 minus 4 on both sides. That would eliminate the 4. Bring down 5y, and as the sign is less than, I'm going to go ahead and put the x first, which that would be minus 3x. Put it in mx plus b form. This would be minus 1. Okay, I hope you can read my writing here. Now I want the 5 to be by itself. So I'm going to divide everything by 5. That will cancel out the 5's, leaving, I'm sorry, I want the y to be by itself. I'm sorry. The y to be by itself. So now the 5's cancel. Now we have y is less than, this will be a negative 3/5, because we still have the 5 there, x minus 1/5. Okay, these you don't have to graph. All it's asking you to do is to solve for y. And let's look at number 5. In number 5, we want to solve for y, so I'm just going to draw a line to separate. So that means we need to move the 5x to the other side of the inequality sign, because we want the y by itself, correct? Now, this cancels out. Bring down negative 2y is greater than negative 5x. I want to put the x first because y equals mx plus b. That's the form of slope-intercept form. And we have plus our 4 that's right there. Now we want to divide by a negative. Now whenever we divide by a negative, that's when we reverse the direction of the inequality. So we are dividing everything by negative 2 because we want a positive y, right? So now that cancels. Now y is now less than, not greater than, a positive 5/2x minus 2. Now, in the top part of the homework, all you're doing is changing it into the form y equals, which is the same as saying changing it into slope-intercept form. Or it says right here, solve the following linear equalities for y. You're solving for y, okay?